6 best yoga exercises to firm and shape your breasts naturally. Number 1. Cobra Pose. The Cobra Pose helps increase the lung volume, stretch the thoracic muscles, strengthen your abdominal muscles, and improve your posture. First, lie on your stomach and inhale deeply. Slowly raise your torso and keep your lower body to the floor at the same time. Balance on your legs and arms. Second, raise your head and look up. Third, slowly breathe out and assume the initial position. Try increasing the time you stay in the pose with each repetition. Number 2. Triangle Pose. The triangle pose will release and strengthen your thorax, stretch your spine, and improve your blood flow. Place your feet wide apart. Turn the left one 90 degrees and the right one 15 degrees. Touch your left ankle with your left hand. With time, you'll be able to put your open palm on the floor and stretch your right arm upwards so that your arms make a straight line. Keep your knees and spine straight too. Third, turn your face up and look at your fingers. Then repeat the exercise with the other side. Number 3. Warrior Pose. The warrior pose will not only make you feel your strength, but also help you extend your thorax and make it elastic and active. Place your feet wide apart, parallel to each other. Second, turn your left foot to the left, 90 degrees, and your right foot inside. Breathe out and bend your left knee. Third, your right leg should stay straight. Raise your arms and put them in line with your shoulders. Turn your head left, looking at your wrist. Fourth, repeat 7 to 10 times, then do the same thing on the right side. Number 4. Wheel Pose. The wheel pose helps you stretch your thorax, spine, and neck, lifts fatigue, and cures headaches. First, lie down on your back and place your feet a bit more than shoulder width apart. Then, pull them to your buttock. Second, put your hands behind your head, palms down, with your fingers pointing to your back. Breathe out and raise your breasts and hips as high as you can. Third, try straightening your arms completely. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. Number 5. Camel Pose. The camel pose is effective against backaches. It also increases the lung volume and strengthens the thorax. First, get on your knees and pull your feet together. Second, slowly bend backwards and put your hands on your heels. Then arch your back and stretch your ribs. Your head should be pulled to the floor. Third, stay like this for 30 seconds and assume the initial position. Number 6. Bow Pose. The bow pose is advised for all those who have backaches. This exercise helps stretch the spine and beautifully shapes your breasts. First, lie on your stomach. Breathe out, bend your knees, and raise them behind you to your head. Try holding your ankles with your hands. Second, slowly breathe out again and pull your legs and arms upwards as far as you can. Your hips and breasts should lift from the floor, and you should balance on your stomach. Third, try to stay in this position for 30 seconds. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for healthy living.